for you. What do you want to tell her in the video?
The video's not. What do you say?
Thank you, Grammys and Grandpa.
Let me see your blanket.
Jonathan, it has your name on it. Did you open it?
Open your blanket.
Your name.
Open it. No, it says John John.
Oh, John John. I told her to put the
Turn it around. Look, it's the Iron Man. It's the Iron Man.
All right. What do you say to Grammy and Grandpa? Yay.
Okay. Let me see yours, Jacob. What do you say? I'm sorry. Thank you. Okay. Which one does that one? That one's Gabby's. Don't open Alex's till the end. Put that one on the bottom. Mommy's not till the end.
Give Aaron his?
Yes. Help him.
Get up, get up. Open it. Aaron, look, wait, Aaron, look. Look at your backpack. Put it on.
No problem.
Aaron, let us see your blanket.
Look at your name.
No.
Look it.
Look it.
That's your name. Okay, you want to open it?
Look at what Gabby says. Gabby, I love you.
Look at all the little flowers. What do you say?
Thank you, Grammy, Grandpa, Cecilia, and Deanna.
And lady.
That's so pretty.
That's so cool. Grandpa did your name so big.
What does everybody say?